How many of you have followed the Sabarimala debate of entry or right of entry of women into Sabarimala? How many of you have followed it? Okay. And how many of you have followed the discussions on TV with respect to Sabarimala? On NDTV or any other place? Most of you, I'm hoping that most of you have actually seen it. There is always a tendency to pit Hindu religious institutions against women and give the distinct impression that by default, Hindu religious institutions are patriarchal in nature and women are treated as inferior or second-grade institutions, and that's the manner in which this discussion goes about. Why is this important and what is the significance of this is this. Every discussion that you view on television or any platform which has a fair amount of impact or a fair amount of access is to a normal person independent of somebody's ideology. Most people who read newspapers or who watch news do not understand that the person who's peddling that particular news or who's actually pushing that particular narrative has a certain agenda. Consequently, it comes to a point that unless and until you're in a position to have access to an ecosystem that ventilates your point of view or pushes your agenda, you will always be in a position where you'll be seen as a minority, as a fringe, or as a non-intellectual base. How many of you associate every time you watch a debate on television, let's say on NDTV, you'll always find three articulate people speaking immaculate English, representing a certain point of view, and anyone who represents the Indic standpoint or the Indic point of view will be a person who is inarticulate, who struggles with English, and who will come out as a person who is a misogynist of the first order, who is a patriarch of the first order. Have you wondered why this is the case? This is simply because, in my limited experience when I've taken part in NDTV debates, I've seen that there is a calculated attempt to push a certain stereotype with respect to the Indic point of view, and we are also partly responsible for this.